Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. A person invested a total amount of rupees 15 lakh. A part of it was invested in a fixed deposit earning 6% annual interest, and the remaining amount was invested in two other deposits. So let's say this 15 lakhs that this guy is having. So we are assuming here every number in the unit of lakhs, okay? Because we need to find the answer as well in the unit of lakhs. So let's say this 15 is 15 lakhs. So 15 lakh is divided into two parts, X and Y, okay? And this X is invested in fixed deposit at a rate of 6% per annum. Because the type of interest is not given, here we need to assume it's simple interest. Otherwise, in case of compound interest, it will be specifically mentioned in the question. Okay, so this is 6% simple interest. And the remaining amount Y is divided into ratio of 2:1 and invested in two other portfolios. So because this is divided into 2:1, so first part will be 2 by 3y and other part would be 1 by 3y. Okay. So when we are dividing 2:1, we'll add this. So this is 3. So 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. This is how we divide. So one part is invested at a rate of 4% per annum. So this 2 by 3y is invested at a rate of 4% per annum. And the remaining 1 by 3y is invested at a rate of 3% per annum. Okay, this is given. If the total annual interest income is rupees 76,000, then the amount in lakh invested in the fixed deposit was what? We need to find out. Okay, so how much total interest this guy has got? So this guy will get 6% on X. Okay, so this is again everywhere time is 1 year, so we won't write. So interest, formula of interest is P R T by 100. T is 1 year in all the cases. So from the first portfolio, this guy will earn 6% of interest. So principal is X. Rate is 6. So 6x by 100. Okay. From this component, 2 by 3y. Again, this is lakhs. This is X lakhs. This is 2 by 3y lakhs. 4%. Okay. So principal is 2 by 3y, rate is 4 by 100. And from the third component, principal is 1 by 3y, rate is 3%, so it's 1 by 3y into 3 by 100. Okay, so this will be 6x by 100 plus 8 by 3y. Now what is y? So can we say y is 15 minus x? Right. So 8 by 3, 15 minus x, this is our y by 100. And third term is again y we can replace 15 minus x. And this 3 will get cancelled. So it's just 15 minus x by 100. Okay. What is this amount? This is total interest, and it is given in the question that this guy has earned 76,000 as a interest. So here 76,000, because every number we are presenting in unit of lakhs, so 76,000 also we need to write 0.76 lakhs, because here x, y, 15 everything is in lakhs. So this will also be in lakhs. So 0.76 lakhs. This is equals to, we can take the LCM here if you see. Okay, so this 3 will come here, it will be 300, and we can take the LCM. So this is 300 and 18x, okay, plus 120 minus 8x plus 45 minus 3x. So this 3x, 8x will leave here, 7x, and this 120, 45 will become 165. Now if this two zeros we take this side, the decimal will get cancelled and we will multiply 3 by 76, so 18, 228. 228 is equals to 7x plus 165. So 165, just reduce it from here, 3, 6, 63. So 7x is 63 or x is 9. Okay. So 9 lakhs is the answer. Every number we assumed in unit of lakhs, so 9 will also be in unit of lakhs. Now one thing we need to take care of, that this is a theta question, and in the question itself it is given that your answer should be in units of lakh. Okay, so we won't write the entire 9 lakhs, we'll just put 9 because the unit is already given as lakh. Okay, so we'll just write the 9 in the input. This has to be specifically we need to pay attention what is the unit that we need to give the answer. Okay, just pay attention to the unit which is mentioned in the question. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments, and guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.